Hey guys, welcome to this free course. Inside this course, we will going to teach you how you can build amazing AI tools like let's say YouTube generator, SEO title generator, and many more amazing tools like Facebook caption generator, Black Friday special email copy tool generator, VSL script generator, and many more tools using tools like Formwise and WordPress. And we will going to use OpenAI's API key, which you guys can see over here. And in case if you guys don't know anything about what OpenAI is, what API keys are, don't worry. Inside this free course, we will going to step by step guide you everything from scratch. Okay, so just follow along the course, and then you will also be able to build tools inside your WordPress website, okay, or integrate the tools inside your WordPress website without any coding. Okay, so step by step I will going to guide you each and everything. So if you guys are interested, so do watch this free course from starting to end. It will really going to help you. Hey guys, welcome to this course. So before we just proceed further, I want to give you my free OpenAI course. Now why I'm doing this, let me show you. But what you need to do is that you just have to open new tab, and here you just have to search for Cuckoo courses. Okay, click on enter button, click on this cuckoocourses.com website, open this website, and it will verify that you're human. Okay, so just verify it, and then it will going to redirect you to our website. And from here, my friend, just search for or click on this courses option here, which you guys will going to see here, okay, at top. Okay, and from here you just have to search for OpenAI. Okay, just search for OpenAI, and then you guys will going to find this course, which is OpenAI guide. Okay, so this is the free course for you. It's totally 2 hours free course for you guys. Okay, I have created that. So inside this course you will going to learn lots of things. If you just open this course, you do not have to do some sign up, you don't have to put any credit card details. You just have to open this course, and you just have to click on the start learning button. Now why we have provided you this course, so let me just tell you. Okay, let's wait for this course. Here you can see this is the course. So basically many people don't know what OpenAI is and how OpenAI is related to ChatGPT, what is API, how it's related to OpenAI, what are models, what is DALL-E. So there are many confusion among students. Okay, so that's why we have created this free course. Okay, so it's my humble request for each and every one of you, if you still have some confusion about what is models, API and all, I request you and beg you to watch this free course before you proceed further with this another free course which we are providing you. Okay, so just click on the start learning button, and after you will going to click on the start learning button, it will going to open up the website. In case if you face any problem, just refresh it. Okay, and then you will going to find all the lectures here. Watch all of them before you proceed further. Okay, so this is the first thing which I want to tell you. And the second thing which I just want you to let you know is that you must have your API key. And how you can get API key, if you will going to follow this course, you will going to learn everything. But in short, let me just tell you, just go to platform.openai.com. But right now I am assuming that you guys have watched this free course. Okay, so just pause this particular course, and after that you can continue with this lecture. Okay, for better and better understanding. So now I suggest that you guys have watched the course, so just go to platform.openai.com. Okay, and now I am suggesting or I am assuming that you guys have watched my free course, and now you understand what platform.openai.com is and what are all this playground and everything. Okay, so just go to API key from here, and here my friends, you can just create a new secret key. Let's say we name it as a demo tools. Okay, so you can just name it as a demo tools, and you can create your API key. So just click on create secret key. It will verify that okay, just begin the puzzle. Awesome. Okay, done. I have verified that, and then it will going to create API key for you. So you can copy this API key, and this API key we will going to use in the upcoming lectures. Okay, so from here platform.openai.com, under API key you can create your API key. And again I am requesting you guys to, before you proceed further, if you don't know anything about OpenAI, ChatGPT, API models and everything, all stuff like that, so make sure just watch this free course. And also we have taught you how you can get your API key. Okay, and I assume that you guys have watched this free course, so you will now going to understand that. Okay, so hope you guys have copied the API key, and now you will also going to understand what API can do for us. Okay, so just copy this API key, keep it safe somewhere else. Okay, and do not share with anyone else, just copy it somewhere and keep it safe. Okay, and we will going to use this API key when we will going to create our account in AI tool website. Okay, hey guys, so before we just proceed further, I just want to map what are the things which we will going to do. So the very first thing is very simple. For example, we have here the form wise. Okay, so now if you don't know about form wise, so we will going to set up the form wise. So basically it will basically going to help, okay, to build AI tools. Okay, so basically form wise will going to help us to build AI tools, and after that, using that, what we can do is that we can build our own AI tool and we can use it wherever we want to. We can also use it for personal use as well. Along with that, you can also integrate this AI tool into WordPress. So you can just, I can say, embed or integrate to WordPress. Okay, so now what is WordPress? That is also very much important. So if you're a person who don't know about WordPress, so WordPress is basically WordPress helps to make website. Okay, so in case if you don't have WordPress, so inside this course only we will going to teach you how to set up, okay, how to set up WordPress. Inside this course only we will going to teach you that. Okay, so in nutshell, you have learned two things. Formwise will going to help us to build AI tools, and we will going to explain how to create account and integrate with OpenAI and everything. Okay, and after we will going to build our AI tool, we can also embed that to our website using WordPress. Okay, and do not worry, inside this course we will also going to teach you how to set up WordPress. So this is what I just want to explain you, and hope you guys have understood the basic concept of what WordPress is. So WordPress helps us to make website. You can create any kind of website, let's say e-commerce website, blogging website, okay, or any kind of website we can create using WordPress. And how to set it up, we will going to explain you that in this course. Okay, so now guys, we will basically going to create account in the form wise. Okay, so you can just go to this link which I am going to tell you. Okay, this will going to give you some extra offers and some extra perks. Okay, so make sure you use this link. I will also going to attach the link below in the resources description. Make sure you just check it out. Okay, you can basically type my-link.in/form wise. Okay, everything in small, and after you will going to type this particular URL, everything in small. I have also provided the link below as well. You can just check it out, by the way. Okay, just click on that link or just type everything in small, my-link.in/form wise. Click on the enter button, and then it will going to redirect you guys to the form wise website. Okay, now it's very much important to note that we will be using this form wise website to create tools without any coding. You can see you can just build AI tools without learning any single code. Okay, so that's a very powerful thing, and the tools you will going to create will be totally white label. That means you can use that tool with your brand name on it. So that's very powerful. Okay, Here what you need to do is that you just have to click on this sign up button. Okay, just click on this sign up button. This tool is basically very powerful. Okay, so make sure you just sign up to this tool. Just click on the sign up button, then it will show you something like this, and you can just start your 7-day free trials. Okay, so this website is very popular, and if you know or don't know, but this Formwise is very popular, and it's provide you with 7 days free trial. Okay, so you can just sign up with the Google. Okay, so I'm just signing up with my this account. Click on the continue button and just sign up. Okay, and after you guys will basically going to sign up, so it will redirect you to here. Okay, just wait for a few seconds, do not do anything. Okay, so now let's wait. Okay, so after you will come here, you will going to see that it will going to offer you some plans. Now you can see complete plan details over here. They have free free not, but they provide free trial plan in every of their plan. You can see start for free, start for free, start for free. The plan I like most is this pro plan, which will going to cost you $99 per month. Okay, so that's totally up to you. It's not about this particular low plan. That means if you take this plan, so you will not be able to get more features. It's not like that. Even you can start with $29 per month. Okay, but what I will going to suggest you guys, if you have money, so $99 per month is the worth. Okay, because you can see in all the plans you can basically embed all these tools on your website, by the way. Okay, you will also so basically you can just read here a lot of datas. Okay, for example, here you can see white label domains. That means white label domain. For example, if you have created some tool, okay, so you can put your business name on that tool, so that all the facility you will going to get on this 99 per month plan. Okay, so when I'm recording, this is the price structure, but in future maybe when you are watching it, so it may change. Okay, or it may not change, but here you can just read like prompt chaining you will going to get here, GPT-3 DaVinci power you will going to get here, GPT-4 access you will going to get. Okay, so GPT model is also you will going to get in this course. Okay, so there are plenty of amazing features. So I will going to suggest you guys start with this plan, and of course you will going to get a 7 days free trial. And if you think that this Formwise is not worth for you, you can just cancel the plan. Okay, but I will suggest you guys to go with the $99 per month, and it's not like that you have to compulsory go with or renew $99 per month. Okay, always you can also downgrade to any plan or upgrade to any plan when you want to, but you are getting 7 days free trial, so it's my suggestion to use it. You will basically going to learn lots of different features with this plan, and of course within 7 days free trial you can also degrade to the $29 per month. That's totally up to you. So let's without wasting any time, let's click on the start for free button, and when you will going to click on the start for free button, it will tell you to put your credit card details and anything, and do not worry, it will never going to charge you money right now. Okay, in case if you have some promotion code, you can also ask me, maybe in case the company will going to provide me some code, so I can offer you that code as well, but currently they are not running any promotion. Okay, so that are all the things. Okay, but you just have to put in when you will going to come to this website first time, so at right side basically you guys will be able to see your payment stuff and all. Okay, so like this, here you can see, like in my case it's showing me all this card information and everything. So it's my suggestion to put all this card information and every of the details. Don't worry, you will not be charged right now. You are just getting 7 days free trial, and if you love it, you can continue it, and then they will going to charge you money. But for 7 days it's totally free, and you can cancel it within these 7 days as well if you feel that this tool is not worth for you. So that is what I just want to tell you. So I'm pausing this video to put all the payment details. Similarly, you guys have to put all the payment details, and then click on start trial button. Okay, so you can see I have put all the payment details and all, and after it has been done, you can see that here this is how it's showing. Okay, so you can also request the premium onboarding as well. Okay, and here you can see that you will also going to get this $297 one-time payment option. I don't know if you can see here or not. Okay, so for that you just need to book the onboarding appointment, but you can also click on the skip button if you don't want. Okay, so you guys can see that after you will basically come here, this is how you can use their pre-built tools as well. But right now we will going to click on the skip button. Okay, just click on the skip button, and here you guys can see that we have come to the form-wise tool, and at top you guys will going to see OpenAI API key are missing. Okay, so you can just add your API key here. Okay, so just click on this top here, add your API key. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds, and you can see this OpenAI API key is required. Just click on this connect button, and then here it will ask you to put your API key. So remember that we have told you to create your API key. Okay, so just come to the platform.openai.com, put your API key here, and make sure do not share your API key with anyone else, as we have told you. And also we have told you to watch this free course. Okay, so you will better going to understand that. But hope I assume that you guys have already watched this free course and you understand what API key is and what OpenAI is. So just put the OpenAI API key here, click on this save button, and you can see OpenAI API key has been authorized. Right now you can just click on this close button, and you can see now your OpenAI API key is now connected. Right now again you can just go to this form-wise, just click on this form-wise, and then you guys will be able to go to the home page of form-wise. Okay, again just click on the skip button. Right, and in case here you guys can see everything is here only, and you also have this chat support as well and community support. So in case if you have any problem, so you can just submit a support ticket over here, and team will going to reach out to you. Okay, in case if you face any problem. Okay, and also one more thing, if you will see here at very bottom left, you will going to get the profile option. Click on that, and from here you can also see the settings and API key options. So in case if you don't see any pop-up here and you want to add your API key, so from here also you can just add that. Okay, so same settings you will going to get here. Now let me just go to the dashboard, and in this way we have successfully connected our OpenAI API key with Formwise. Along with that, we have also created our account in Formwise. Okay, hey guys, welcome to this course. Inside this free course we will going to teach you very basics but complete practical guide about domain hostings and WordPress. Okay, so if you are a person who are totally a beginner, and if you want to know what are domain, okay, and how you can set it up, so this course is for you. Not only domain, we will going to cover a lot many other concepts as well, like hosting. So if you don't know what is web hosting and how you can set it up, then this is what we will also going to cover. Along with that, we will teach you what is WordPress and how you can set up WordPress. Also, we will going to give you the concept of subdomain. So using the subdomain, you can create multiple websites. Now what is the concept behind that, we will going to discuss inside this course, and we will also practically going to guide you how you can set it up. Then last will be email account setup. Okay, so if you are running a business where you want people to send you some message if they have some doubts maybe related to your product and service, so if you want them to provide one professional business email, so how you can set it up, that is also we will going to teach you. And along with that, you can also send emails using that email which we will going to create here to your clients or customers or anyone. Okay, so there are lots of practical guide here, we will going to discuss each and everything one by one, and this will be a total practical guide. So if you guys are interested to know everything about domain hosting, WordPress, subdomains, and email account, so watch this free course from starting to end. You will literally going to enjoy it. Okay. Hey guys, so let's start this course. So first of all, I will going to teach you what is the domain name. So we will also going to set up the domain name as well. Okay, using Namecheap. Now what is this and all, we will going to explain you and also teach you how to set up. But let's first discuss what is domain name. So guys, domain name is basically the address of your website. So for example, like any place has some address, right? Like for example, I want to, let's say, visit to your house, so your house will also going to have address, right? So for example, if I just go here and let's say this is your house, right? And to visit your house, I need one address. Awesome, right? I need one address of your house. So when I will going to have address of your house, so I can just come straight to your house using your address. So similarly, to visit any website, you require domain name. Like if I want to visit to your home, I need your home address, right? So similarly, to visit any website, you need domain address. Now for example, if I want to visit Kuku Courses website, so I will just type kukucourses.com, and when I will going to open it, I will go to the Kuku Courses website. Awesome, simple and easy. Similarly, let's say if I want to visit Apple's website, so I will going to type apple.com, click on enter button, and you will go to the Apple's website. Simple and easy, right? So you can see, to access any website you require domain name. Like apple.com is domain name, kukucourses.com is domain name, right? So similarly, every website has domain name. So to visit any website, you require the domain address. You have to purchase one domain address, right? And there are many companies who will going to help you to purchase domain name. In our case, we will going to use Namecheap because it's very simple and easy to simple and easy, by the way, and it's very affordable too, right? So hope you guys have somehow understood the concept of domain name. So make sure that whenever you get your domain name, it should be related to, let's say, you can just keep the domain name of your personal name, or try to keep domain name short and simple. Okay, short and simple, and make sure that that domain name which you are purchasing, it should be related to the product or service you are purchasing. For example, in my case, I am purchasing one domain name that is related to courses. I will going to create one courses website. So I will going to purchase kukucourses.in or any such thing related to this. So my website is related to courses, so I have chosen domain that has some courses related thing. Or maybe let's say you have some health related business, so let's say you can choose health king, maybe healthking.com. okay, healthking.com maybe, or healthking.io. so there are many things, but make sure you can create or buy domain name on your name. Maybe your name is, let's say, John Cena, so you can just buy domain name that is related to your name, or some people buy the domain name according to their business, but make sure that domain name should be short and simple, right? So hope you guys have understood the concept of domain name. Now guys, I will going to teach you how you can set up the Namecheap account, or in a simple way how you can buy domain name with Namecheap. Okay, so it's very simple and easy. You just need to open new tab on your browser and just write this my dash link.in/Namecheap. Okay, so make sure you just write this everything in small. I will also going to attach the link below, okay, in this video description and resources, so you can just simply click on that link. Okay, you will directly come to the website. Okay, so you just have to type this everything in small and click on the enter button, and you will go to the Namecheap's website according to your country. Okay, so just wait for the few seconds and you will be redirected to the Namecheap's website. You can see that we are now in the Namecheap's website. So basically, as I have told you that whenever you create a domain name, okay, so try to make it short. Okay, don't buy domain name which is very much complex like this, which no one will going to remember, right? It's very weird, right? So make sure you do not buy this type of domain. And the second thing is that make it short and simple. Okay, make it meaningful, or you can also buy on your name as well. For example, my name is Kunal Lonhare, so I can buy one domain name on my name. Okay, or you can also purchase it for your business. So maybe whatever product and services you are uh, you know whatever product and services you are selling, so according to that you can go and take domain name. For example, if your business is, let's say, related to health, so I can say health related domain, let's say Health King. Click on the search button and let's see if we can get some domain related or not. Okay, so here you can see that we are getting lots of thing like healthking.app, healthking.dev, healthking.io, health. Okay, there are lots of domain name related to this, right? So in my case I will go with courses, okay, dot, let's say, in. Okay, see, courses.com is taken. Okay, so I cannot do anything with that because you can see this is the website of courses.com. It's already taken and you can see a complete live website here. So I will going to go with courses.in and click on enter, and let's see if we can get the courses.in domain name. Okay, so you can see it's available. So similarly, you have to search for domains which are available, and the available domain you can buy. Okay, so you can see lot many domains, and in front of that domain name you will always going to see some price, right? So according to domain name which you can afford, according to your financial condition, you can take the domain name, right? So that's it. Make sure you just select and add to cart. When you will select your domain name, I will simply click on add to cart button, and then you will see the option called as checkout here, right? So just click on the checkout button, and you can also select for how many years you want to purchase. By the way, you can select the currency. Right now it's in US dollars, but in my case I will just purchase it for, let's say, 3 years. Awesome. So more longer period you will going to purchase your domain name for, so less affordable it will be. Okay, so for example, if I just take with 1 year, so you can say it will approx $8, right? So if you will double it, so it will be, you can see 15.9. Still it will be little bit affordable. If you see, if you will renew it 1 year, that is $7.98. okay, so if I just show you the concept, if you just go to calculator, so right now we are purchasing it for $7.98. so 7.98. and if you will just purchase it for 1 year, so it will cost you this much. And if you just purchase for next year, so again you have to pay this much amount, or let's say even high, let's say $8. so it will going to cost you approx 15.98 itself, right? But here it will also going to include tax as well. You also have to pay tax as well. But if you just go with the 2 years, so it will be 15.96. so you can see it will be affordable, okay, as compared to the one year you pay. So make sure the more longer you will choose, the better it will be. Okay, so I will go ahead with 15 for 3 years. This much is the amount. I will just go ahead and I will confirm the order. And if you have some other currency to choose, for example, I want to see it in Indian currency, so it will be approx this much. Awesome, right? So let me just see how much it will going to cost me for the 4 years. Okay, so in the 4 years this will be this much, but let's just go ahead with 3 years only. Okay, so I will simply go ahead and confirm order, but it's your case. If you want to go with 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, it's totally up to you. Awesome, right? Then just click on the confirm order button. Awesome. Now if you already have your account, so you can just log in. But if you are totally new, so you can just put all your details, okay, like username, password, just confirm password, set your first name, last name, put your correct email ID, which is very much important, and make sure you just choose or set your username. Okay, and then click on create account and continue button. Okay guys, you can see that I have set the username, I have set the password, I have again set my password, I've set my first name, last name, and I put my email address. You can just untick it if you want and just click on create account and continue button, right? So after you will going to do this, you can just simply save it if you want to, right? And then just set your all the details like your first name, last name, your address, cities, state, and all these details. Okay, here phone number. So fax number is not necessary, okay, but just put all these details here. Okay, so you can see I have set the first name, last name, and make sure you untick it if you want to. Okay, which is this option. You can just untick it, and rest just put all your details like phone number, email, and all. And after you will do this, just click on this continue, and then it will take you here. Okay, so make sure you can just select this as well, then just click on this continue button. So then my friends, you will see the payment method. You can just choose if you want to pay with the card payment. So you can say I put all the card details, my card number, card everything, right? You can put the card details. You can even choose PayPal and account funds as well. But after you just do it, just click on this continue button. After you will put all your payment details and then click on continue button. Okay, just after you do this, just click on this pay now button and make payment. Okay, so you can see that you have successfully purchased your domain name. Okay, and on your email you will see the notification that you have purchased it successfully. Okay, so whatever email you have used, on that email you will see this notification that you have purchased successfully. And now you can manage your domain from here, or if you want to see this option again, so again just go to that link my-link.in/namegym, and after you will come here on this website. So it will be already account created, or you can just log in, but in our case we have just now purchased, so you can see the account, and from here you will see this domain list option. So just click on that. So whatever domain name you have purchased, so that will be visible here. You can see in my case I've purchased this in front of you guys, so this is available here. Now if you want to manage it, so you can just simply click on this manage button to manage it. Maybe if you want to connect it, okay, so connect with your web hosting. Now what is that and all thing we will going to discuss later, but you can just simply click on this manage button from here, and from this option of a name servers you can just click on custom and paste the name servers of your web hosting from here. But let's not discuss that, but I have taught you till now how you can purchase and set up your domain name, okay, and whatever domain name you will going to purchase, it will all going to pop up here. Okay guys, now we will going to talk about what is web hosting in a very simple way. Okay, so it's a very simple meaning. So basically web hostings are the storage space for your website, or storage space of your website. Okay, for example, whatever website you say, for example, if you just say kukucourses.com, so they have lots of text, they have some images. You can see this is the image. So all these text, images and everything is stored inside storage. Okay, and the storage is provided by web hosting. So there are many web hosting companies like Hostinger, and there are plenty more companies that provide you web hosting where you can store all the data of your website. Okay, so we will going to teach you how you can set up it, but let's first understand the web hosting concept. So I've already explained you. Similarly, if you just go to apples.com website, so you will see they will going to use lot many images on their website and all. So all these things, my friend, are stored inside web hosting, basically the storage where Apple is storing all this data, right? So idea is somehow that simple and easy, my friends. So hope you guys have understood the concept of what is web hosting. So web hosting means it's simply storage space for your website. Okay, and now we will going to teach you how you can set up that with Hostinger. Okay, so let's see how you can set up web hosting, my friends. Okay, so we will going to use Hostinger. So you can just simply open one new tab, and here you can just type Hostinger, Hostinger, hostinger.com/Bing commerce. Okay, so I have displayed the link in the screen. You can type that, everything in small, and make sure everything is small. Click on enter button, and I have also provided the link below in the video description or in the video resources. So after you will click that, so according to your country, Hostinger will take you to your country specific website. Okay, so for example, I am in website for example, I am in India, so you can see it has taken me to the India's website. Or if you use the same link, that is hostinger.com/Bing commerce, or let's say you open this link from USA, so it will take you to the USA website. So that's why make sure just use this URL, it will take you exactly to your country's website. And also from here you can see, from here you can even select to different countries in United States as well. Okay, so if you will choose United States, so it will show you in the terms of dollars as well, right? So here you can see it will show you in the terms of dollars, but I am from India, so I will going to choose India English version. And do not worry, the procedures will be same for all the countries. Okay, so from here, my friends, you can just go ahead and choose, let's say, hosting. You can choose, let's say, web hosting, right? So currently they are offering some discounts and all. We do not want that. So from here you can just choose the plan. So you can see more expensive plan you will going to take, more features you will going to get. So for example, single plan only offers you to build one website, and similarly premium plan offers you to build 100 website, and similarly this will keep on to go. And you can see on single you will not going to get free domain, but in multiple plans you will going to get free domain. So whatever you can see the complete list of different features, you can just toggle here to learn what that means is. But right now we do not have to go with that with this particular course. By the way, let's make it very simple and easy, right? So in our case we will going to use this single plan. If you want to go with the bigger plan, you can of course choose it, totally up to you, and I recommend you guys to just go ahead. But many people are very much new. Okay, so let's go ahead with the single plan. So let's click on this add to cart button, and after you do this, my friends, you guys have to choose for how many duration you want. So you can see the longer duration you will going to save, more longer duration you will going to choose, so more amount you can save. So I will just go ahead with the 12 months, but I recommend you guys to go with at least 24 or 48 months. Okay, so that's it. So I will choose 12 months, and now it will tell me to log in. So if you already have account, so you can log in. So in my case I will going to create my account here. So I will just going to write my email address here. Awesome, right? So this is my email address. You also have to put your email address correctly, and then my friends, you guys have to choose your password. Okay, so in my case I will going to choose the password. So awesome, I have chosen the password. And after you do this, you can see according to your country you will going to get multiple options. But the main thing is that in the have a coupon code, you can use the coupon code, so you will going to get some extra discount. So you can see if you will type this, that is Bing Commerce. Okay, just check the spelling. Okay, Bing Commerce, click on the apply button. So you will notice you will going to get extra discount here. Okay, so you can see, just put all your details like first name, last name, and every of the details, and then you guys are good to go. Okay, so you can see, my friends, I have chosen this my first name, last name, and rest it's not compulsory. You can see optional. So phone number is not necessary to put, city is not necessary to put. Okay, all these details are not necessary to put. And after you do this, just select your payment option according to your country. So I will go with UPI in my case. Okay, and just click on submit secure payment. Okay, and you can see that after you will make payment, this is how the look will going to look like. Okay, and you can just click on escape. I don't want the personalized experience. And here you can see if you already have a website, you can select this option if you want to create new website. But now let's click on escape, create an empty website. And if you have a domain, okay, if you have a free domain, so you will see the option claim a free domain option. So just select that and select your domain. But let's say we already have one domain name. So in my case I will just go to my website where I have purchased the domain name. So in my case I have purchased it from Namecheap. So I will just go to the domain list, and here I have just purchased this particular domain name, that is courses.in. So I will simply use this domain name. Okay, so I will just click on manage button from here. Okay, so this is my domain name. So I will just simply copy this just for an example, and I will say use an existing domain. So I will select that. I will right click and paste my domain name which I have purchased it from some other website. In my case I have purchased it from Namecheap. you may even have purchased from GoDaddy. So idea is somehow that simple. So whatever domain name you have purchased from, let's say on Namecheap or maybe on GoDaddy, and if you want to connect with your web hosting company, in our case that is Hostinger, so simply just go to the Namecheap or a GoDaddy and paste the domain name you have purchased and click on the continue button, right? Awesome. Now my friends, what you need to do is very simple. See, if you will just see here, we have basically domain name and web hosting. So now web hosting is giving you two name servers, name server 1 and name server 2, which you can see here. You can see required name server 1, name server 2. Simple and easy, right? So what we need to do is that we need to paste this name server to the domain name so that we can connect our domain name with web hosting. Okay, so it's very simple. So now just go to your domain provider, in our case that is Namecheap. Okay, so here we have our domain. So here you will see this name server option. From here select to custom DNS. So here you have to paste your name server 1 and 2. Okay, so now again just go to your web hosting, and from here just select this name server, right click and copy this. Just go to your name server provider, right click and paste it. So we have pasted one name server. Similarly, just go here, select this second name server, right click and copy it. Make sure you don't leave any space in front and last. Okay, just go here, right click and paste it. Awesome. And then you will see this option, tick mark button of a save. Here you can see, so just click on that option, so the settings will be saved, and then you will basically going to connect your domain name with your web hosting. So idea is somehow that simple. Okay, so it may take few seconds to connect your domain name with the web hosting, but you guys do not have to worry. You can see now DNS servers update may take 48 hours maximum. Okay, so maximum to connect your domain name and web hosting, it may take 48 hours. So do not worry, that's natural and okay. And after you will do this, you just need to click on the continue button. Okay, and then from here you can just choose your server location. So I will going to suggest you guys to select that location which you feel is very much close to your audience. So maybe your majority of customers are, let's say from, let's say United States, so you can choose North America. So whatever location is close to your audience. In my case I am from India and my audience is also from India, so I will select to USA India. Then let's cancel it by the way. Okay, so I will just click on this finish setup button, and then it will take few seconds. You can see it will take few seconds, so just wait for it to complete 100%. Okay, now you will see my friends that after it will be 100% done, you just have to click on this manage site option. Okay, and after you will going to click on this manage site option, this is how the interface will going to look like. Okay, like this you can see. So if you again want to visit to this H panel, so or I can say Hostinger panel, so you just have to type this, that is H panel dot hostinger.com. okay, just type this, everything in small, click on enter button, and again you guys will going to redirect it to the same area of your Hostinger panel. Okay, and you can see we have sent a verification email, so you can just open your mailbox. In my case you can see this is the payment successful, okay, for the web hosting, and here you will see one option to verify your email address. So I will simply click on this verify email option. Okay, and click on that button, and then you can be able to verify your account. Let's cancel it, and you can see
you have verified your account, and make sure you have to type hpanel.hostinger.com to visit your web hosting panel. Okay, and you can see we have successfully set up our web hosting, and now we can easily create the website. Okay, so that's it, and this is how we have told you what is the concept of web hosting and how you can set up web hosting. Okay, we will going to teach you the concept of WordPress. Now what is WordPress? So my friends, WordPress is CMS. That means CMS full form is content management system. So my friends, it's very simple. So using WordPress, in short we say WP. Okay, so WordPress short form is WP. So using WordPress, my friends, you can just build, let's say, website. You can build some apps. Okay, and there are many things which you guys can do with WordPress. So it's just a amazing thing. Okay, you can just customize each and everything without doing any coding, right? So for example, if you just go to our website again, that is Cuckoo Courses. Let me just open this website, Cuckoo Courses. Click on enter button, just go to the home page of our website. Awesome. And from here, my friends, you will see this tab, courses one, right? So just go ahead in this courses tab, and here you will see, or you can just search WordPress. Click on enter button. Okay, let me just search for WordPress. Okay, so here, or if you will not going to see, let me just refresh it again. So because of some problem, I guess. Okay, let me just search for WordPress again. Now awesome. So here you can see, my friends, using WordPress you can just do a lot of things. You can see you can just set a website, you can build your own ChatGPT with WordPress. Okay, you can build or do web designing with WordPress. You can create job search portal website with WordPress. You can start your money making blogging website with ChatGPT and WordPress. You can start or create a fitness related website like gymming, fitness and yoga type of website with WordPress. You can create pharma e-commerce website, right? So you can see with WordPress you can basically do a lot of things. Okay, and next you can see, like, you can just basically you can create your own affiliate system with WordPress. You can start your agency website with WordPress. You can make Facebook like website with WordPress as well, right? You can create branding and blogging website with WordPress. You can create affiliate website with WordPress. You can create drop shipping website with WordPress, right? So you can see the power of WordPress. Okay, so the list is limitless. There are lots of things, like you can build your e-commerce website with WordPress like Amazon, Flipkart, etc, etc. You can create your online course website with WordPress, right? So my friends, the thing is that you can just do a lot of things with WordPress. Now how you can get WordPress? See, WordPress you need to install inside web hosting, and you have already purchased the web hosting, right? So we will going to teach you just with one click. Okay, in a single click you can just install WordPress inside your web hosting, and then you can just do plenty of things you want. Okay, so that is the WordPress, right? So in theory it's just a basic thing, but when we will going to show you practical, okay, like for example we have set up the web hosting, so how we will going to install the WordPress inside this web hosting, we will going to teach you that as well. Now before I just want to tell you, you can see we in our website we have many courses. Okay, so what you can do if you want to access all these courses, so we provide these courses in the form of membership. You can just click on this sign up button. You can set your username, email, first name, last name, and set password. You can choose a lifetime. In lifetime we always in majority of case we use this discount code. Let me see. Okay, so you can use this discount code to get access to the membership. And using our membership, my friends, after you will take our membership, So you can basically access all the courses. You can see latest technology courses like AI, artificial build and sell APIs, right? Mid Journey masterclass, Google Bart masterclass. You can just set up your own email marketing system. So we have lot many courses with Apple, Google courses, paid advertising courses, digital marketing courses, affiliate marketing courses, make money courses, development courses. The list is limitless, right? So just sign up, just set up your account. You can also put the discount code, select I'm not a robot, register and make payment. So this is how it will go. But maybe you face some problem, maybe you are unable to pay because some countries do not allow PayPal. We use PayPal payment gateway, so countries like India, Pakistan doesn't have PayPal. So in that case you can pay us manually as well. Okay, so if you're watching from any country and if you want to purchase our membership, and if you think that you are unable to pay here, so you can just pay us manually. You can just click on this support button. Awesome. And from here you guys will see option unable to make payment. Click on this click here button, and then you will see the option to pay the manually. Okay, so you can see, if you, especially if you're from India, so you can pay with the method 2. You can just buy yearly plan, or let's say lifetime plan. Yearly plan in Indian currency will be this much. Okay, you can just put and make payment. Okay, and similarly we have lifetime plan. Here also you can use this 50 discount code to get offer half the price. Okay, and similarly with the method 1 as well, it's basically for all countries. So you can also go with the yearly plan, or let's say lifetime plan. So you can say yearly plan will be, let's say $20 per year, right? And the lifetime plan will be, of course, this much of dollars. You can just use 50 discount and you can make payment. You can see. Okay, so that is what I want to tell you. But in basics you have understood the WordPress, and if you want to know how you can create different types of website with WordPress, so you can of course go to our website and check out the courses. Also we will going to attach the link of all the courses in the below lesson. At very down in the bonus lesson you will see all the courses links are attached. But that's all about the WordPress. Okay, if you want to set up WordPress inside your web hosting, so my friends, as I have told you, okay, if you are watching, so you all know that we have just configured the domain name and web hosting together, right? And now here you can just go to hpanel. I have taught you how you can just go to hpanel.hostinger.com. just go to websites. Okay, and here you will see the option to manage. So in the same way you have to come here, and inside here you can just manage each and everything. So if you will click here, so this is how the interface of your domain name should look like. That means we have successfully connected our hosting, that is Hostinger, and our domain name from the name gym together successfully, right? So sometimes it may take max to max 24 hours to show you this or such type of interface, right? So it's my recommendation, when you connect your web hosting and domain, so at least wait for 24 hours before you install the WordPress. Okay, then after you do this, so now to install WordPress you just have to go to this option of website, and then you will see this option called as auto installer. Okay, so just click on this option. Awesome. And you can see here in just one click you can install the WordPress. So just select this WordPress option, click on the select button. Awesome. Now you can just set your website name. Let's say I will just name it as a Cuckoo Courses. Awesome. And username I will recommend you guys to only use the same username and same email. And the password you can just set whatever password you want. Okay, so you can use, let's say, Cuckoo Courses password generator. Okay, you can just search for this courses password generator, and you can just click on this link. Awesome, let's wait, and you can just click on this link, secure password generator. So it will basically going to generate a strong password for you. Okay, so you just have to write how much the length of the password you want. Let me just say 8 uppercase and all. Okay, if you want to include numbers in your password, so you can. Otherwise, just click on the generate password. It will generate a password for you. You can just save this password. In your case, whatever password you will going to get, you can just save this password. Okay, like this basically. So it's saying you have to include one number and one symbol as well. Okay, so no problem. So what we can do here, okay, we have just, okay, let me just go with the 12 numbers. Okay, just generate the password here. Okay, awesome. Now let me just go ahead. Okay, so everything is okay now. So you can just set your password. Okay, or if you want to keep your password, you want, okay, so you can also do that. Now let's click on the next button. In advance, you basically don't have to do anything. Okay, so here, okay, let's leave right now. You don't need to do anything. Just click on this next button. You can just save your password if you want, right? And after you guys do this, you just have to click on the install button. By the way, from here you don't have to do anything. From here you can select the language of your WordPress, but in our case it will be English. Then just click on the install button, and you will going to notice the WordPress will successfully be able to install inside our web hosting as we have told you, right? So just wait for the few seconds and you guys are good to go. Okay, awesome. So you can see that we have successfully installed the WordPress. And if you will click on this admin panel, just click on this admin panel. So it will take you guys to the WordPress dashboard of yours. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds, and here you can see that we are inside the WordPress. Now using this WordPress, you can just create or do whatever you want to do. Okay, and there are a few things which I want you guys, okay, before you just go ahead and do anything. First of all, just go to plugins, or sorry, settings, and from here just go to general. And from here, always remember that you should tick mark this anyone can register, and select your time zone if you want. In my case, in India, I live in India, so my time zone will be this much. If you don't know anything, you can just leave it, but make sure that it should be tick marked, that is anyone can register. Okay, that is very much important. Then just click on save changes button. And second is the permalinks. Just click on this option of a permalinks, and from here, my friends, you always have to make sure that whatever option, in your case it may be in this option, or in my case this is in this option, but make sure you always select to post name. That is very much important. Okay, and after you will do this, just scroll down and click on the save changes button. So this option, the two options which I have told you, that is just to go to general and make sure just tick mark this anyone can register and save it. And second, the most important setting is the post name. Okay, in permalinks you have to select the post name and then click on save changes. Rest everything is good to go. And now let's clean our WordPress website. So you can just go to plugins, click on install plugins, by the way, and right now you can see only one plugin is here. You can of course tick mark it, and from the bulk action you can just deactivate it. We do not want it. Click on apply, and let's delete it. Again, select this and click on delete option, apply it and delete it. Awesome. Now just go to your dashboard, and now you can see this is the WordPress dashboard of yours. Okay, and if you do not want all this thing, if you want to make your WordPress website clean, neat and clean, just cross it. just go click on the screen options, you can see at top, and untick all of them. We do not require all these things. Okay, and now our website or a WordPress website is almost ready. Our WordPress CRM is almost ready. Now you can use this CRM to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so in this way we have set up WordPress inside web hosting. Okay, and one more thing which I just want to tell you now, my friends, it's not always necessary to always just go to your edge panel like this, edgepanel.hostinger.com, and then from here you can access your WordPress website. What you can do in the very simple way, you can just type the domain name you have purchased. So in my case, I have purchased this one, kukucourses.in, right? Now you have to add slash, then you have to write wp-admin. Okay, so when you will write this, okay, you can see when you will write this, let me just open this in the private window. So if I will open this in the private window, it will take you here. Okay, so here you have to put the email name and the password you have, right? So in my case, my email address is whatever you have set, right? In my case, I have set this email address. Okay, and the password, in my case, I have this password, I guess. But whatever password you have set and email address you have set, remember in the previous step, so you just have to put that, and when you will click on login, it will take you to your WordPress website like this. So if you again want to ever visit your WordPress website dashboard, just type your domain name. Okay, in my case this is my domain name, and then just add /wp-admin like this. Awesome, right? And then click on enter button. Okay, it will take you to your WordPress dashboard because we have already logged in, but it will redirect you to put your email address and password, and on that basis you can again log into your website, right? So it's simple and easy to again go to your WordPress website dashboard. Okay, so now guys, I will going to teach you using Formwise how you can build tools. Okay, so just click on this create a new tool. Okay, and you can start from scratch, and let's name it, for example, we can name it, let's say SEO title generator. Okay, let's click on create a tool. Let's wait for a few seconds. And click on skip tutorial. So if you want to build any tools, it's very simple. Here you guys will going to see, let's say right now we want to build SEO title generator. Now what is SEO? Basically SEO title, if you search for how to lose weight, click on enter button. So you guys will going to see we have lots of articles with this title. Okay, so this is called as title generator. Okay, SEO title. Okay, so how you can help other businesses to generate this type of attractive SEO optimized title. Okay, so what we have to do is that we have to make sure it's required, and here we can say, let's say question 1. Click on save button, and now here you can put your question. For example, keyword for title, something like this. Okay, keyword for title. If you will go here, so you can see when you will go or click outside, so that will going to get removed. For example, in the description we can say, please provide us keyword on which you want title. Okay, if I will click outside, so you will see that will going to reflect over here. And in the example we can say example, let's say weight loss. Awesome. If I just click outside, so here you can see in the example it has put weight loss. Super simple, and in this way we have done half of our tasks. Okay, you can just click on this theme, and from here you can design how your particular tool will going to look like. But before that, I just want you guys to do something, is that from build, okay, always click on option. Okay, so that only it will be going to display as the result. Now whenever you create any tool, like here we have created the tool, so now just go to prompt. Okay, and here just click on this box like this. Okay, click anywhere and this type of tool will going to open, and here you can say SEO title generator. Okay, and in the instruction we can say you are expert in generating SEO title on the basis of keyword. Okay, so when any user will give keyword, then keyword on @ and then you have to put the question 1. Okay, so that means we are saying that whenever someone will going to put the question 1. Now how we got the question 1, let me show you guys. If I just go to app.formwise.com, let me show you guys. Okay, now you guys don't have to do anything, I just want to show you something. Okay, so let me just open this, click on edit button. So this is what the title we tool we are generating, right? So just open this one. So here you can see we have written question 1. Okay, so here you guys can see this is the question 1 ID. Okay, so that's what I said, that you are expert in generating the SEO title, okay, based on keywords. So when any user gives keyword okay on this particular question, okay, on this particular option, okay, that means when someone will put any keyword on here, okay, and when they will going to click on submit, so generate title on that. Okay, like this we can give instructions. And now if you have watched our free course which we have suggested in the starting of the course, so you guys know that OpenAI provides us with lots of models, GPT-4 model, GPT 3.5 models and all. So for example, let's select GPT 3.5 model only, and just click on this save prompt button, and you have given the personality. So basically this process which we have done is called as personality. Okay, and after you do this, you have successfully created the tool. If you will just publish it, your tool is now published. If you will click on this I button, so you can see this is how your tool will going to look like. So when any user will basically come on your tool using Formwise, that's how it will going to look. If someone will going to type, let's say they want to create the title or SEO title for some particular keyword, let's say AppSumo lifetime deal. Okay, if they will going to click on the submit button, so you will see our OpenAI API is generating the response, and here you can see it has provided the response. Awesome. So you can see this is the SEO title it has generated for us. So you have successfully created this tool. Okay, and this is how it will going to work. So for example, here if you will just going to click on this share button, So from here you guys can get this share a link from option. Just copy this link here and just open this in a new tab. And when you will go, if you will going to give this link to someone, they can just access your tool here. Okay, and when they will going to see your tool, this is how it will going to load the tool, and any person can use your tool. You yourself can use the tool, and when they will going to click on keyword, they will click on submit. Our tool will going to generate SEO title for them. So super simple. And you can also design your tool. For example, if you just go to create, and from the theme you can also design. Just click on this plus button here. Okay, and from here you can just change it. For example, if you want to change the quotient color, let's put it to red. Okay, if you want also you can just give out a name. For example, we can say temporary. Just for teaching purpose, I am getting this theme. Font color should be, let's say, light orange type. Okay, description color, I want it to be in blue, like this. Okay, and you can just do further thing. Rest everything is good to go. And make sure you select the temporary from here. Okay, theme changed. Just click on publish. Now again just click on the share option, click copy the link again. Now just open this in a new tab. By the way, you can see the changes has been taken here itself. Okay, so let's wait, and you can see the stuff has been changed because we have change the theme color and everything here. Okay, of course you can edit it and you can further add the more things you want. Okay, for example, if you want it to be in red, okay, reddish color, so you can see it will turn to red. Just publish it, that's it. And from the advanced you can just give the description for this tool. This is SEO title generator, awesome, like this, and just publish it again. Awesome, good to go. Okay, so in this way you guys have successfully created the tool. If you will just going to refresh it again, so of course you can give this tool to anyone. Okay, so in this way we have created one tool, that is SEO title generator tool. Okay, also you can share this tool. For example, if you just go to share, so you can also embed this tool on your website. If you will just copy the code here, just go to the WordPress website which we have told you. Okay, just let's say go to pages, click on all pages. In your case it will be blank, but you can just click on add new page and you can say it like SEO title generator, and here you can just click on this plus option, just search for HTML, put that here, right click and click on paste, and you guys can see you have this tool over here. Okay, that's it. And from template, okay, let's leave it. Let's click on this publish button. Just right click it and open this in a new tab, and you can see the tool which you have created is now basically embedded inside your website. Okay, so within your tool only you can that means within your website you can just integrate your tools, right, using form wise. Okay, so now guys we will going to create another tool. Again it will be very simple, you do not require any coding. Now we will going to teach you how you can create tag generator tool. So if you upload any kind of YouTube videos, so you all know that YouTube at the top provides us with the title, description to put for our YouTube video, thumbnail, playlist, and the screen cards, etc, etc. But we also have a very important thing which YouTube says us to put, is called as tags. right? So tags basically is useful if your content is commonly misspelled. Otherwise the tags play a meaningful role, okay, in help you viewers to find your video, okay. So it helps other people to find your video on YouTube. So that means in simple, there's a huge possibility that you can get more views on your YouTube video. So that's why we will going to create tag generator tool, okay. So for that, just click on this formwise logo or just refresh it, okay. And after you will basically going to refresh it. Let's wait for it to get refreshed. Okay, so just click on the create new tool, start from scratch, and then just type, let's say, YouTube tag generator, okay. Click on create a tool, super simple, easy. After you will do that, let's wait for the skip tutorial. Again, put it, let's say, question 1. You can just put it whatever you want. For example, I will going to put it question 1, and remember that this will going to help us to put that on our personality here, okay. So remember, we have named it as a question 1. I will going to save it again, make it required, by the way. Again, here just write the question, for example, YouTube video topic, okay. Or I can say your YouTube video topic. Put your YouTube topic here, okay. Then in example, we can say, let's say the video is about maybe Donald Trump, okay. So that's how we have created the tool, super simple and easy. Again, make sure that from the build, always make sure the display result should be on, okay. You can define the theme, and in advance you can say the description like, this is YouTube tag generator, awesome. And then, as we have told you, remember the question 1, because in the prompt it will going to help us to put the question 1, okay. So I will select that, and you can just name it, for example, YouTube tag generator. In the instruction you can say, you are expert in YouTube tag generator, okay. Your task is on the basis of @ you can just put, select question 1. On the basis of this question 1, give all, or I can say generate all relevant text, okay. Text should be in commas, separated, okay. And let me just see, it should be in, I guess, 500 words, right? Okay. Okay. Generate 10 tags, okay, at least, awesome, okay. So the same thing we have done, okay. Now you are an expert in YouTube tag generator. In the instruction we have put that you are an expert in generating YouTube tag generators, okay. and we have told that your task is on the basis of the question 1. Remember, we have named it as the question 1. So on that basis you have to generate the text. The text should be in commas, because you remember that YouTube allows us to put the text in commas. For example, ABC, enter, so it will be in commas. Okay, for example, all this thing, let me show you. Okay, for example, if I just put here ABC, okay, P C Q comma Y U R, if I just copy them all and if I just go here and paste it, so you can see because of commas it has separated. Okay, so that's why I have said this text should be in commas. And then from here you can choose the model you want. For example, let's go with the GPT 3.5. You can even choose GPT 4. Okay, then just click on this save prompt button. Awesome, we have set the personality. Just publish it and just preview it. Awesome, let's wait. Okay, by the way, this time we will going to share this. Okay, and I can just copy the code for this tool. Let's open this here. Okay, so it will going to open the YouTube text generator. Simple, people just have to put the topic. For example, we can put, let's say SEO title. Okay, or let's say e-commerce WordPress. That means we want to build tag on YouTube WordPress. So I can just click on this submit button, and then you can see it will going to use the OpenAI API keys, and it will going to give us the response like this. Awesome, so I can just get all this thing here. I can just copy that. Okay, make sure and just come here. In case if it shows something like this, so what we can do is that we can just give the instruction again. Maybe just go to create and click here again under the prompts. Okay, we can say text should be in comma separated. Okay, or I can say each text should be, or I can say each tag should be in comma separated. Okay, let's click on the save again. Let's publish it again. Let's go to share and see it again if it works or not. Let's open this. Now let's put, let's say, some other topic. Let's say MacBook M1. Okay, click on submit button. Now you guys can see that it is providing us here some text. So I can just copy that. Oops. And whatever tag you are feeling comfortable, you can just copy that one. For example, I can copy this one. I can paste it here like this. And for example, I'm also liking, let's say, this one. I can just copy that and paste it here. So that's how it will going to work. So you have successfully created this. And similarly, if you just go at top in the response, you will basically going to see that people have that means whenever any people will going to use your tool, so you can see the responses generated by your tool. Okay, so you can see the two live response that has been created. Okay, so it will also going to mention the date and time when the response was generated. If you want to see the response that was generated, so you can see this is the response. So here you can see this is the same response the model has generated, and you can see inside your dashboard, okay, or backend. That means any user who will going to use your tool
whatever they will going to generate. So if you want to see their responses, you can see that over here. Awesome, right? Now again, you can embed that in your website. Okay, embed that. For example, you can just copy that, and you can, let's say, go here. We have this. Okay, just go to dashboard. We have created SEO title generator. Just click on this WordPress logo, and you can create another page. Click on add new page, and here you can just write, let's say, YouTube tag generator. Awesome. Okay, and again just click on this plus button, search for HTML, paste it like this, click on publish, and just view this page, and then you guys will going to see that you also have got the YouTube tag generator as well embedded inside your website, or other people can come on your website and they can use the tool. Okay, so that's how it works. So similarly, you can create as many as tools you want to using Formwise. Okay, if you just click here, so right now we have just given you two examples, but using this same principle, same concepts, you can create as many as tools you want to. You can see I've created so much tools here. Okay, now guys, we will going to talk about 100 plus templates which you will going to get. Okay, so if you will just going to click on create a new tool. Okay, so here you guys can see you get the option to use a template. It starts from a Formwise template. If you will select that, so you will see by default there are lots of tools already created by you. That means already created by Formwise. For example, let's say Facebook caption generator we have. Okay, itinerary builder, story generator AI. Okay, online course planner, rap song lyrics generator. So whatever you guys are interested. Okay, so you can choose any one of them. For example, let's say I'm interested in this one. I will just going to edit. I will go to next. Okay, and then let's wait for a few seconds, and this is the tool which is here, Facebook caption generator. Now if you just go to dashboard, if you will just cross it, so you can see this will going to add here. So you can also click on these three dots, click on the share button, and just copy the embed code, click on copy code, same like you have created your YouTube title generator, SEO title generator, right? So similarly you guys can again just click on this plus button here and just click on add new page, and now we have got this YouTube caption generator, right? So I will just going to put here Facebook caption generator. Again just click on plus button, search for HTML, select that, paste it, click on publish, again click on view page, and then you guys will also be able to get the Facebook caption generator tool inside your website. Okay, so it's super simple and amazing. Now you can see person will just have to write the topic on which they want to generate the caption. They will click on the submit button. Automatically it will going to generate the caption for you. Okay, so that's how you can use a lot of templates. Just click here, again click on create new tool, just search for user template, and again choose anyone, do the same process, and similarly you can add more and more tools on your website. Okay, with this same method. So in this way you can just access lots of 100 plus templates. Even you can just search, for example, you want related to, let's say, Facebook, so you can just search for Facebook, and then it will going to provide you all the predefined tools which you guys can use it on your website without any problem, right? So that's how it works, my friend. Okay, and in this way you can just build more and more tools on your website, and you can completely create your tools website. Okay, and you can integrate that on your website. Okay, using form wise, you can also embed lots of tools. For example, here you can see this is the website we have created. Okay, or you can say it like a SaaS business. So here we have just embedded all the tools. If someone wants to, let's say, search related to YouTube tools, so they can see all the YouTube tools. Okay, so anyone can use your tool. Okay, so let's say if anyone wants to generate, let's say, YouTube short script generator, so they will select on this tool, and they will say, for example, on which topic do you want. Let's say we want it on the, let's say, stock market, okay, in India. Okay, now let's click on the submit button, and then it will going to use your OpenAI API key, and then you guys can see that it will going to generate the short caption for your shorts like that. Okay, but how you can make money with it, because you can say it's very easy to integrate all the tools and everything on your website, but how you can make money with it. So guys, the very first thing is very simple. You can create this as a SaaS business. So now let's see how this SaaS business will, by the way, going to work. Okay, so you can see right now we have created this website. It's SaaS business. So basically in this here you guys can see all the tools will going to display. So to access the tools, your audience who will come to your website has to purchase your membership. If you will see, if you will just going to click on tools, it will tell them to sign up. Okay, then only they can access these tools we have on the website. Okay, so they just have to click on the sign up from here maybe, or from here. Okay, so when they will click on the sign up button, so they just have to register themselves in your website. Okay, they just have to pay you. Okay, so through this SaaS business membership website you can make money. Okay, so you can see you can charge with your users some amount, some money. Okay, like this, and when they will going to make you payment, they can just come to your website like this, and now they can access to the tools page on your website, and from the tools page they can access all the tools you have on your website. So this is a very great way you can just make money easily through this SaaS business. Okay, and how you can add all this functionality we will going to explain you in one of our course. You can see there are lots of tools you guys can integrate, and there are many more. Okay, so how you guys can do that? So for that what you guys can do is that you can just search for Kuku courses, click on enter button, just go to this website, kukucourses.com website. Okay, and from this website just click on this courses button from the top, just click on this courses button, and after you will going to click on the courses button. From here you guys can basically access to all the courses we have on our website. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. You will see this type of course, build SaaS tools with artificial intelligence and ChatGPT API. Okay, so you can even search for this as well on the website. Okay, and you will going to find this course. You can see now it's showing you the image for the course. Just open this course. Okay, and after you will going to open this course, this is how it will going to look like. Okay, so you can just see that we have created inside this course the complete website. Okay, so this will going to help you to monetize your website using the SaaS business. Okay, which we have told you right now. Okay, so if you guys are interested, so you can just learn from this particular course. You can see this is the very amazing course we have over here. Okay, you can just simply click on this get membership button, or you can just click on this sign up, or from the membership you can just go to membership, and from the membership you guys can take the course. Okay, and I suggest you guys as earlier that to please watch this course or video. This video will teach you how you can buy our membership, okay, properly, and in the lifetime you will going to get 50% off if you will watch this video. Okay, and that's it. And the amazing thing is that not only about this course, but you can access all the courses we have on our website, including real estate, ChatGPT plugins, and basically there are plenty of other courses like daily e-course and many more. Okay, build online tools, this is another course which you can also view, right? So that is what I just want to tell you, and I suggest you guys to all go with the lifetime only, because it will be very much valuable for you. After you will going to apply 50% discount here. Okay, so that is what I just want to tell you. And in this case, if you face any problem, you can just simply contact us. Okay, and we will going to reply you. Okay, so if you want this type of functionality where other people can come on your website and they can use your tools, but to use your tools they just have to purchase your membership. So for that, this course has been created. Okay, this SaaS course has been created. Okay, and not only that, you will also going to learn how you can add this type of functionality here. Okay, so make sure you watch it from starting to end, it will really going to help you. Okay.